Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford F-350 Lariat. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 96,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.